In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that, and download free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!